इधर ऊपर ये डाल के तो बचाएंगे आगे। हाँ जी। Okay, so we're here in Goats Khan Sahib, and we're here with this brother that is trying to rebuild his hen farms with the help of HOOPO. We're trying to accomplish is rebuild the hen farms. This whole area was affected by floodwaters, and unfortunately all his hens were lost. But we're trying to get the hen farm restarted, inshallah, and get this brother back up on his feet, inshallah, so he can actually be able to support his family, inshallah, and do all the good work. Oh, but mashallah, they're a very hard-working family. They just don't have the means right now. So what we're going to try to do is rebuild the hen farm, so inshallah they can be self-sustainable and be able to provide for themselves and also for the rest of the village, inshallah.